Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today we're going to talk about my camera gear and mostly what goes with it. So what I use depending on my trips, depending on where I go, and what I would like to get eventually. So my favorite camera when I go and I just want to take pictures, I'm going to a zoo or I'm going to go where I can see some animals or I need a good zoom and a good quality photo, I will use my Canon DSLR camera. It's a Canon Rebel XS. It's an old model. On it, I have the lens I have put on it at the moment. It's an 1855 millimeters. So I use this one when I want to take great pictures. But it's an old model, so it doesn't have any recording, so I cannot take any videos with it. So it's only for pictures. And it's pretty heavy, so when I do bring it, I will use one of the Peak Designs clips, and I just clip it to my shoulder straps, and I will attach it to it or wear it around my neck, you know, depending if I don't have a long hike or something. But if I have to walk for a long time, I will just clip it on myself. And what's great, these are obviously they use mirrors, they're not mirrorless, and I can change and put like lens like this one, 75-300 millimeters. So I can use this to get really nice pictures. I'll show you examples of the pictures you can take with a camera like this. Another way that I take pictures is with my cell phone, actually, which is actually the one I'm using at the moment to record this video. It takes decent quality pictures and videos, and the sound is not too bad. When it's windy, it's like everything else, but other than that, it's a pretty good cell phone in my opinion. And I'll show you videos and pictures also, so you can get an idea of what it looks like with the Samsung S10e. Now when I'm going kayaking or anywhere near the water, I want to go snorkeling, scuba diving, or just play around with the kids in the water or going to the lakes, I will use my waterproof camera, which is the Fujifilm XP130. It's this camera here. Doesn't have a flip screen. It's not like a super camera, but it's a great camera. You can go up to, well, it says 65 feet. It's pretty deep into a lake. When you're scuba diving, maybe not, but snorkeling, you won't get that far. I usually attach it to adapters on the front of my kayak or on a chest harness that will put on me like this, so I can record my paddling. And I'm not afraid if it gets wet. I'm not worried at all. And the sound is pretty good. It takes okay videos and okay photos, but it's not top quality like a DSLR or the next camera I'm going to show you. But you still get a decent quality, and obviously you can go into the water and take nice picture underwater if you want to also. I will show you a video so you can see a bit the sound. I didn't modify any audio, and I didn't change anything with the videos too. And I'll show you also pictures that you can take with it so you can get an idea. Before 2020, all the videos were mostly filmed with my cell phone. After 2020, the videos are mostly recorded with this camera, which is the Sony HX80. This little camera here is pretty light, pretty compact, easy to bring. It's a flip screen, so you can vlog with it. Very easy to use. It has a 30x zoom. Obviously, when you zoom it fully, you will need a tripod like all the cameras because it will shake. Also, you have a viewfinder here that you can pop like this, and you just move that like this. The batteries for this camera is incredible. It lasts so long. I bring always like 2 with me, but 2 I can record it for like 2 days, 3 days without any problem. So I'll show you a bit the quality of it. It takes good pictures and it takes good videos. There is better, like I say, but it is a $300 camera, so don't expect something like $800 camera. It's logical. If you're starting to vlog or you're like me and you can't spend $800 on a camera, that's a good option to get. So I'll show you the videos and the pictures that you can do with this camera. When I'm going hiking, I don't bring a big tripod. I will eventually get the Joby Gorilla tripod, the 1K one. I don't have it yet. But at the moment, what I use is the light Pedco Ultrapod. This little, I have the cell phone adapter on it at the moment. But this is so small, so tiny, and so easy to use. It's stable, it's super light, it's compact. Like, you know, this is very, very small. It does the job. It's very stable and I can do mostly what I want. Oh, so there's, I don't have it with me at the moment, but there's a strap that comes with it. See, there's a groove here. There's a strap that goes inside it, and you can strap it if you want around trees, branches, or posts or whatever to secure it at different height. Another 2 things that I bring depending on the trips for my cameras. They're not cameras, but I'm still going to include this in this video. So I bring these 2, and they are anchors, power banks. I bring this one for a day or 2, and I bring this one for multiple days. This one is 5,000 mAh. This one is 20,100 mAh. So this one will charge a lot of things. This one a little bit less. This one has 1 port. This one has 2 ports. Anchors, you can't go wrong with them. Super, super good and very popular on the trail, on true hikes. Everybody's talking about them. So what is your favorite camera? Do you have many? Do you have a wish list? Do you hope to get one day, or you have it already? What is your favorite camera? Let me know. Put it in the comment. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching.